Yeah, as a kid growing up in Brooklyn, my pops was a DJ. We had a bunch of records, funk, jazz, rhythm and blues, soul. You know what I'm saying? There was this one gospel record I like Holy Moly. I might get some religion and leave you holy. Yeah, this rhyme is so fat, it's roly-poly. I'll give you intimate details so you can get to know me. These corporate rappers like, why this dude picking on me? You rap your way to the top, but now it's getting lonely. Kids is hungry and you looking like a steak from Nick and Tony's. But don't nobody want your jewels, cause your shit is phony. Say word, your shit is real, damn, your shit is coney. The rhymes turn a new page like Mark Foley and touch kids like when Larry Clark gave the part to Chloe. Rest in peace to Harold Hunter, the greatest from New York. Started out skating to Zoo York, word, hanging out at the Gavin. I was very lucky to talk to Raj once it got past Derek Dudley. Got him on respiration, it's pre-bad dude. Central Garnet Reed got a mad dude tattoo. Sometimes I feel like I'm drowning, I gotta tread water. Head above the water, I always remember headquarters. Heads up, eyes open, I got my mind focused. I find hope inside a line around to find open. Sometimes hopeless people fill my thoughts with evil. My record's so hard it broke the needle. At the mixtape awards, niggas act like they don't give a fuck though, and disrespect the legacy you just know. What the blood clot though, let the blood flow. You ain't come to pay your respect to what you come for. Too many good niggas dies like a stop loss. Hood niggas ghetto like fried wings and hot sauce. How you hard the cops letting 50 shots off? Baby Jay-Z's with the knockoff Sky Storage beat. You are not short, you are not cat. You're not a player or a pimp, money stop that. Learn to master your speech and be eloquent. Rappers keep peddling sweets, the beats weak in the gelatin. He used to kick up dust, now he's settling. Rest in peace to Dylan Weldon, we can't forget you. Professor X and Proof, we miss you. Word. Rest in peace to Shaka, 21 gun salute in the air like block. You're still here cause you living through me. You like a gift God has given to me.